Hello you guys, happy Sunday and welcome to the vlog. There's such a bad glare on my glasses right now, I'm so sorry, but today's the day we're gonna get our life together because I have the day off, which is really nice. 1:25 right now. Had a pretty fun morning. Slept until about 8 and then I got a little bit of work done this morning, you guys saw. Then Chloe and I went for brunch and then I came home and showered and got ready for the day, which is nice. I'm gonna head out in a little bit and head to the library and get a few hours of studying in and go to the gym, and then I'm headed to Matt's and we're gonna have a sweet little night together. So my life together kind of day. So I'm in such a good mood to vlog on Sundays because I always work during the day. So yeah. Just filled in all the details for my video. I did my thumbnail and my title, and then I filled in my description, and I just emailed that off to get approved. So I'm gonna sit in bed for a little bit and go over some cue cards. You guys probably noticed that I kind of go back and forth with like physical cue cards and Quizlet. I normally do a Quizlet for everything, but sometimes I just feel like physical cue cards are nice. I don't know why. It also helps like when I write stuff out, it helps me remember things. So sometimes if I have some time, I'll do physical ones, but I don't always. So much neurological terminology. I haven't done any white strips in a long time, so I'm just gonna do some. You can't really see them, but I actually really don't mind doing like white strips when I'm cleaning and stuff because I can just pop them on, keep cleaning. Okay, let's keep cleaning. Just before we head out, I just got the most exciting package in the freaking world. Okay, I've never been to Disney. Joffrey's is the like coffee brewery at Disney. Like they have Starbucks, but basically Joffrey's is like their own coffee and tea company, and their cold brew is the best thing ever. This is the roast they use for their cold brew. It's called You're Making Me Crazy, and it's the best cold brew roast ever. You get this black, like it's so good. It has caramel, vanilla, and coffee liqueur like flavoring in it. My favorite parts of Disney. So when we came back from Disney, we made sure to bring like 2 or 3 bags of beans back with us. But they actually I got an email the other day saying they released cold brews, so I had to get it. It's little cold brews in a can, and if you guys have been to Disney, you know. But like, oh my god, I'm so excited. So I just had to share that with you guys, and this literally just made my day. Guys, the lighting is literally awful right now, but I'm just leaving to head to the library. I just got a call from work saying that they were short tonight if I wanted to come and help for a few hours, and I tried to call back and nobody answered. So I emailed my manager asking if they still need the help, because if they do, I'll go in. Same thing as yesterday. I went in yesterday and it was the only person in the office, so I'm gonna keep an eye on my email, and if so, just go in and help them for a few hours, because I feel like there would literally be no one in staffing. I feel like if I can go help for a few hours, that's fine, because like I have stuff to do, but it's not like detrimental, you know. This is getting so hard. I'm filming on what I spend in a week too, and it's so hard because I have just way too much content going around and filming too much. But I actually realized I had $10 to redeem at the grocery store, which was awesome. So I paid 28 cents for all this, and I grabbed my favorite protein bar. You guys already know, if you know, cinnamon pecan, love it. And so I just got a salad just because I ate a lot of carbs for breakfast. So I got this little face salad. It's got cheese, corn, I think it's got tortilla chips in here, some chicken, and some Santa Fe dressing. So I have that for dinner. I'm really excited about that. It's currently 3:45. I just made it to the library and I got a room, which is awesome. Normally Sunday afternoons are really quiet in the library because they close at 7, so I don't even have to book a room. I normally can just get one. So plan. My priority is my paper. I need to get that done, and I also want to get done a grocery list, which I think I'm going to do first. A list on my phone of like the different meals I'm going to do, and then a checklist and whatnot. I am totally a person who matches, so I use this awesome app called Flip, and you basically can just put your stuff on the price match. So I love to use the Uncle Ben's rice, so I have that on for 99 cents, and a deal on lean ground beef for my meatloaf and whatnot. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow before class, but that's kind of how I get like ready for the week in terms of meals, and then I switch them up every other day. The meatloaf will probably make me 4 servings, And the grilled rice I can kind of probably do either 2 or 4 because a pack is 2 meals. But anyways, that's kind of how I prep for a new week for work. I'm going to get this paper over with so that I can do fun things like YouTube stuff and just like random to-dos. But I want to get this paper out of the way because if I don't do it now, I'm literally not going to do it. So let's write this paper. I'm going to read the paper once and then I just have to do like a 2-page article critique. It won't take me too long. I'm just reading up on differential diagnosis, which is what my paper was about, but I just finished it off and I'm so happy about it. Next assignment is I'm filming a what I spend in a week video, and I want to have that ready to go. Like I'm gonna have to film a sit down part and obviously talk about what I've spent this week, and like include the clips of the things I bought. But I want to go through my like bank statements of my credit card and just write it all down in a document so it's like all in one spot how much I spent. That way like when I'm filming I don't have to like go look through receipts or anything. I just want to make everything as easy as possible. And like I said, I just like love having a day to get like everything together for the week. Like I'm literally thinking of anything and everything I can get together so I have a smooth week, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna go and do that and I'll show you guys what that looks like when it's done. But you can kind of tell spring is coming because it's 5 o'clock and it's still really light outside, and that makes me so happy but also sad because I'm trapped in here doing work. I made a little list on my computer of kind of like what I spent every day and a breakdown of things I want to talk about each day to make it easier when I edit. I have a little folder called budget, and then I just put all the clips in their own day, which makes it a bit easier. But yeah, so that's it. It's 5:10. I just whipped up that little salad. It's so cute. Look, it came with this little baby fork, and I'm just editing. So I'm gonna eat this and edit and take. Alrighty, you guys. Next mission is to get ready for a new week. I like to go through my upcoming lectures for the week and put them in a Google Doc. I put everything into a Google Doc, like all my PowerPoint info. So basically, beginning of the week I will go and put in all my PowerPoints for the week. That way they're there. When I go to class I just like take notes or add things that aren't there. But I like to go through PowerPoints the week. I like to go through PowerPoints before I go to class so that I'm not like absolutely like what am I learning. Some people can do it that way, great. Some classes I do it for, but this semester I'm trying to go over my PowerPoint content before I go to class so I kind of have an idea of what the prof is talking about, and that way if I want to ask questions I can. I don't because I have anxiety, but you know, it's been working for me this semester. Go through I think week 6 and week 7 of my Religions of the World class. It's an elective I'm taking. I love religion classes, fun fact. I think they're really interesting. So I'm gonna go through that, do lecture notes for that, and finish my shallot. So in terms of getting ahead for the week, I also try and stay a week ahead of all of my online assignments for online classes. That way I'm never stressed. So I just handed that in. I like to stay a few days ahead of assignments just to not stress myself out, especially going into a new week. It is currently 5:30 and I just finished my lecture notes for the week on Jainism. So that's all there. I just made some brief notes. That way going into lecture I'm not like super confused about what's going on and I have a bit of an idea. So did that. I kind of filmed this on like a week where I don't really have that much to do, honestly, to prepare myself. Like I'm caught up on lecture notes. I handed in the assignments due this week. I finished a paper that was due this week. Basically all I'm trying to say is that at the beginning of the week I try and get everything done for the rest of the week. So, you guys know I have my weekly test in my cognitive neuro dementia class. I have 2 this week because we had a snow day. So I have my Monday one, which is tomorrow, and then one on Thursday. Normally at the beginning of the week, since we only normally have it once a week, normally on my day to get everything done, which is today, I would go and do my study guide for the quiz. That way I could start studying, but I don't want to do that until after my quiz tomorrow because I just feel like I'll confuse myself. So normally I do that, but I'm not going to today. So I think I might go over stuff quick. I brought my coloring book to color as a study break, and I don't have pencil crayons. So I might have to go get some pencil crayons later. But I almost have everything done, honestly. I'm ready for the week in terms of YouTube stuff. I'm ready for school this week. I'm ready for work. All I really have left to do is meal prep, which I should have done today, but I'll do tomorrow. But that's my little update. I don't really know what I'm gonna do now. So I am going to end the vlog here just because I am probably just going to head to the gym and then head to Matt's and just have like a nice relaxing evening. So there's not really much left to vlog. I've done like all my productiveness for the day to get ready for a new week. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you're not already. And I'll talk to you in my next vlog. Bet you weren't expecting this angle. Okay, bye.